How you guys doing? This is Martin. Know me from my series, How to Pay Off Your Car Loan in 36 months without getting paid, without giving up Starbucks or being cheap. Or you've been watching my series where I've been telling you $25, $75, $125. Those are the programs I have to help you pay off your car. I know you said, oh, we don't want to pay off our car early. Oh, we'll make payments. I think the educational, what's that call it? Educational cleansing is coming to the where Amazon, Prologis, Pet Boys, all these places where you guys have been working, buying all these expensive cars. I think it's time that it's coming to an end. I think. I mean, most of the stores are open. I go to the Blockbuster, Best Buy, man. That's like a swap meet. They're like pack them in. Because when you got money, you can make decisions. So yeah, I think it's about to come to an end. Because Amazon, every day I go, Amazon, she said, when you go fill out your application, when I don't have to lift 49 pounds. You know, I'm not, hey, like I told you, when I was younger, I worked at Petavita Mold and Die. Calvin and I, we ran an injection molding machine, a lathe where you take the steel tubes, you cut the tube, you hollow the tube out like you see for those fence posts for like the metal fence or for brackets. Calvin ran like the first generation electronic manufacturing machine where he would put the giant steel block in. Steve, the owner, who was also like one of the primary operators of the CNC sheet machine, would run the machine and they would do all kind of stuff. Steve would say, Martin, I need you to run the machine. You and Calvin, we worked on the first generation of sonic alarms where you used the solder and stuff. We did that. And at the end of the day, then Steve would say, hey, or his dad would say, or Sheila would say, hey, now you can go and put stuff in a box and ship it out. Till then, I need you to call Martin. I need you to go pick up the checks, drop off parts, go door to door selling springs, all that stuff. At the end of the day, I did what Amazon's paying people $15 an hour, and now they're starting to figure it out. Like this is Amazon Excess. I can get you guys this $30 for 12. It's better than the sugar's reduced, and you get less. Get that gut down. So call me. Also, I got my towelettes I'm selling too. Where's my towelettes I'm selling for you guys? Go to the gym. Selling these $4 a piece. I'll help you get these wipes from me if you want to save some time and I go get the napkins and stuff at Planet Fitness or Fitness 19 or whatever. Give me a call, martching2018@gmail.com. $4 a piece. I'll hook you up, get you some access, and we can talk some other stuff too. So back to the warehouse stuff. All the stuff you guys doing, putting stuff in boxes, wearing your work release vest. People got their goggles on. I be looking at them. I'm like, what the fuck is this, man? You guys that stupid you can't see the damn forklift coming? Shit, that's it. That's a problem right there. If you can't see a forklift coming, the robot next to you, the robot smack you. Probably the robot said, get to work. Stop. Get off the phone. Is that what the robot's doing? So now that's coming to an end. I'd say Bali by July. Everything's probably about to slow down about now, based on what I'm seeing. Shut down or no shutdown. There's just like people, all that energy, I can already see it starting to drop. And I can just see like people are like, especially the younger couples and freaking out. Yes, us older men are gonna take your younger girlfriend. Yes, because she doesn't want a guy who works in a warehouse. It's boring. He's like, what are you, ghetto or whatever? I just think it's like, I've been getting, because I go to the gym, I be getting the evil eye from those guys. You black, you Negro, are you looking at my girl, man? Are you looking at my girl? You look at my girl, man? We whoop your ass, man. Or is it the brothers, the ugly girl, 100 pounds overweight? No, brother, I mean black, which means black. No, I don't want your girlfriend. If I wanted to go out with a linebacker, I'd date the offensive tackle. Take that to the house. Is that a good one? No. So I can just tell people about e-bot, just people just doing bizarre stuff. For me, I think people are doing bizarre stuff, man. I mean, me and the cops, we just deal where people just do stupid stuff. We're going to have to deal with it this summer, man. Got people eyeballing us, people just like doing bizarre stuff around us. I mean, you don't even say anything, and you just like, whatever, man. So yeah, but back to what I was saying. Yeah, Amazon keeps sending me stuff every day. Come fill out your application. Come fill out your application. You know what they're saying? Martin, we want to get rid of these ghetto people. Your brothers and sisters, whatever. Mexican, Hispanic, white. We want to get rid of anyone who's ghetto. Come on, bro. Come on. They're begging me. Maybe when they give me $1,000 bonus. They'll say, Martin, it's $1,000. We just want to get rid of these smart people, Martin. Come sign up. Then I'll probably sign up. But yeah, I think it's funny, so I watch that. But yeah, I just like, it's coming to an end. It's like, I talked to my friend, so it looks like September 7th is the last big holiday. So someone at my place, I guess, he still has this fireworks. He wants the Redlands police to come knock him upside the head, so he keeps setting them off. So he's going to set it off and piss them off one night, and they're going to come educate him. Which they should, which means not he beat him up, just take him to the big house, just say, hey, you want to do all this stuff? We'll put you in the house with all the crazy people, brothers and other crazy people in jail. Let's see you do your weird shit there. They'll make you their bitch, is what they're saying. Hey, we ain't gonna do nothing to you. We're gonna put you in the big house and they'll break you down. You think you got your new boyfriend? You think you living in Palm Springs or something? You're at the Toucans. You done met your new boyfriend or something, or you went down to there's that other street. There's a street I can't remember downtown where the garage is downtown. Used to be a 7-Eleven or Special K on the corner. Used to be a wash house across the street. One's like a regular place you can get the porn videos and stuff, but also the outfits. Now they have a new one that's like a beer stuff. I'm talking about Palm Springs gay stuff and men taking advantage of other men. Don't know how. But let's get back to what I was talking about. Yeah, so all you guys who keep eyeballing me, thinking I'm going to take your girl and you work at a warehouse, most likely I am. Come on. She knows you ain't making it. I know you ain't making it. So, and Amazon is probably tired of you. I'm telling you, these executives are tired of driving in these parking lots. See, people got Mercedes, Audis. They got better cars than the owners. And then on top of it, they probably say, I think we need to improve this and we need to improve that. And I would say, well, why don't you get in here on time? So look for like a 10 to 15% Amazon cut. It's coming. It's coming. So what can you do to protect yourself from the cut? I have my $25, $75, $125 program. You guys need to pay off these cars, man. Because if I see one more Mercedes at 7-Eleven getting gas, I saw it like this weekend. My man had his Bentley at 7-Eleven getting gas. So I was like, so embarrassing, man. Go to Chevron, man. At least go to Valero or something. Just don't come to a 7-Eleven. People were taking their cars to AM, PM, getting that nasty AM, PM gas. It's just sad, man. All we care about are cars now. But you can be the person who gets back to work. You can be the person that a company hires and says, hey, can you help us make some money? Can you help us turn around our bottom line? Can you help us? We want to open up, or we have a plan to open up, and we're looking for the best people who've been working on themselves, not so much staying out of trouble, but it's like, hey, I'm out of work. I need to just showing discipline while you're out of work, not doing stupid stuff. Hey, I'm making unemployment, but hey, I've been working some side jobs, bringing in extra money where I can pay off my bills, or hey, if I come to you, I can go 2 to 3 weeks. Instead of paying me the third week, hey, why don't you pay me the instead of paying me the first week or second week, I got enough money to carry me to the third or fourth week. And then if something happens, hey, we can renegotiate. So you have some money where you can help them. One thing I've learned making a commission is the mistakes I made was I forgot. You got to keep following up, the variety of follow-up. Hey, is the company you work with even have a concept what sales is? And then the problem I've learned with commission is that after you spend 2 or 3 weeks, the problem is if no money comes in, it starts to hurt. It's hurting. Then you start getting anxious and start getting this, you start getting that. It's not even that you're getting bored. So then you start saying, everything has to be perfect. And I keep forgetting that's how bar business is. And I keep forgetting, hey, we got 20 million people out of work. I'm in California, so it's probably like 10 million people out of work, had salaries cut, or about to lose their job. So I'm just you're looking at talking to a person 5 to 12 times to actually get them to buy. So that's a long time in the sales cycle. Even if you call them 1 time a week, that's 7 days a week. Hopefully you get them, leave a message, how you talk to them. So that was a mistake I made. I'm making with commission. So right now I'm going back and reconfiguring my budget, going back, reinvesting in my training, because you're going to have to be really good when it comes to commission sales. You got to be almost to the excellent level which I'm learning. So think about that. So I'm going to work on my budget, reconfigure my budget, check on a couple of new commission jobs, and go back at it again. It's just like, it's almost trial and error now. When you got 15 million people out of work, I'm in California, 10 million people out of work, only restaurants open with stuff, can't get people together. It's a mess, man. So it's putting me in the strategies you got to use are just like, it's like I've never seen anything like this. Like, I'm like, every day I'm reconfiguring my strategy, knowing I have to take care of people, saying, okay, I got to work on my health. I can't be going out partying, doing all kind of stuff. Don't need to be drinking. And I just got I got to deal with all those people who are like depending on Nancy Pelosi, Trump, Biden, and all those people. You got to turn around, reinvest that money in yourself. One way is if you're looking for a job, if you have that car payment, why don't you have that car payment paid up 1 or 2 months? So when you go in and you talk to them, you're not worrying about being perfect with your questions. You're not worried about saying stuff or trying to say stuff you can't deliver. You're just like, hey, this is what I can do. I'm confident. I got my car note paid up 2 months. I got enough money to pay for groceries for 2 weeks. I have money for the gas, stuff like that. It's just the small stuff that gives you that confidence that you're going to need when you go in there and start interviewing for these positions. Some companies are opening up, but right, that's how I have my Get Out the Stack program, $397, $697, $797 program. Hey, my best YouTube videos. Hey, I'm spending over $5,000 in training to go to Miami to learn. For you guys who sign up for the $697, $797, hey, I'll give you some of the 1 or 2 tips. If you get to learn 1 or 2 things I'll teach you, you'll be ahead of like everyone. Especially if like you're someone who's already disciplined, you know the value of investing in yourself, and also you like have a little extra money saved up. You're the person I want to help out. You're the person I know who could take advantage of what I'm telling you and help yourselves out. There's a lot of people who are just out there just roaming around, have no guidance. All they have is like they have the car, but they're living at home. I have a sad the other day at the gym, a guy gets out of the Mercedes, young guy, shoes all messed up. We're gonna fuck him, man. Look at this. You got a Mercedes, but your shoes are all raggedy, heels, holes in it. I'm just looking at them. Fortunately, that's what's happened to this generation of kids. They don't know what to do. All they think is like, I got myself a car. Man. I'm cool, man. I'm cool. I got it going on, man. No, you don't have it going on. Life is tough. Life is hard. You're about to get laid off from that job where you bought that car anyway. So what you gonna do now? What you gonna do? So yeah, so get out the stack, man, because they're gonna be taking some of those applications. You want to go in, but like I told you want to go in like confident. Your bills are paid up. You've been re-educating yourself. You have a plan. Now that's how you're gonna get back to work. Then I say, hey, we like this guy. Let's take a shot at him. He gives that because I told you back in '95 when I got laid off, I didn't get no $600 bonus. I didn't get no $1,200 check. All that. What are you guys doing with all that money? Or like, there's more luxury cars now on the road when there was during the Depression than when it was before all the people got laid off. So what does that mean? That means people are taking that money, putting it in something they don't need. The goal of today's society is to look rich, but with your new car, you're looking cool, but you're poor. Shopping at Audis, 99-cent stores, shoes all raggedy. Think you got a girl? I got me a girl, like the guy yesterday, his Bray Kulu. Hey man, don't look at me, girl. Your girl's gonna dump you, or she's already fucking around with you, idiot. That's why I say, also older guys, if you want to take the younger guys' girlfriends, go on and do it, man. No girl with no guy working at no damn warehouse. Tell you, man, when I was younger, it's like child molesters, people out of jail, people on probation. Those are all the people who worked at the warehouses. So I just laugh. People that work release vests, their goggles. Don't let that be you, man. If you're going to work an Amazon job, at least have another primary job that you're working. That's why I say my Get Out the Stack program. $397, $697, $797. Get those programs to help you. Also join my $100 commission programs, $100 and $1,000 programs. Hey, follow me on my journey with commission. See how I can help you. Join my program. I know some of you guys said, hey, I don't want to do that, man. I don't want to give you any money. I don't trust you, man. Then just join my channel. $100. There's like 20 million people out of work right now. Join. I need at least 10 of you guys to join my program. It should be no problem. I should have all of you guys signing up for my program right now. If you could take 1 or 2 of my tips, that'll put you ahead of like everyone. So this weekend, this is Friday, so this weekend, so read a book, watch my YouTube channels. Don't waste any money. See if you can't save an extra $10 to $20 this weekend. See if that builds up your confidence. You don't need to go see your friends. People partying with friends that are fucking broke. Don't do that. You don't need to hang around with them, man. Your friends are broke, man. Half of them are going to be on the street. They're done. They ain't helped you. If they were going to help you, they would already have done it, man. Just coming to your new place. Wow, man, this is cool. You have a cool place, man. You have a cool car. Hey, man, let's go shop at a 99-cent store, man. Or let's go to Aldi's, man. Oh, shit, I got no money to shop and buy no new food. Is the food on sale? Come on, man. Don't do that to you. Stay home, read a book, watch YouTube. Find some people who are smarter than you, faster than you, have more money than you. Listen to what they say. That's what's going to get you ahead now. A lot of people are on the way to the EBT. Ain't nobody going. They're already EBT. You know what EBT is? That's money that's like food stamps. Before you used to do food stamps. You know about that, man? Food stamps, you used to have a book that had like $5, I think it was $5, $10, or $20 denomination. You used to be able to pull off the food stamp ticket and you give it to the person at the store. But they say, hey, we don't want you to feel ashamed taking that free government money. So now we're going to like give you a card, EBT card. So that's how the EBT card for your self-esteem. So now you can just be broke like the homeless, like the washouts. People are like, where's my EBT card? Where's my EBT card? Now you can have your EBT card, and now they're trying to like have you say like you're gonna have pride or something. So it makes no sense to me, man. But this weekend, what I want you guys to do, find people that make more money than you. Hey, find 1 or 2 things that they've done to help themselves out. Now that's going to help you get back in the workforce. And just say, hey, take a break from the alcohol. Take a break from your friends. If your friends were any better, you wouldn't be one of the 30 million people out of work. It would have already paid off. So your friends aren't helping you. Take a break. Stay at the house. Or if you want, go to the park or something. But hey, find people who are smarter than you, people that are faster than you. And just say, hey, what can I take from them that I could use at that interview I'm coming up? Or if I'm going to go in and fill out this application online, what can I do to set myself apart or make myself show like, hey, during the time I've lost my job, I've improved my skills and stuff like that. So that's the stuff you're going to need. What is the hook you're going to have for them to keep you in there? What's the hook when you call back up and say, hey, I've interviewed, just checking on you. Hey, I wanted to follow up. Is there anything else I can do for you? And also take a lot. I told you about the commission jobs. Before you work the commission job, though, you got to make sure you have some type of cash reserve, unfortunately. Or you may try to do like some type of draw versus commission. So you're going to have to do that. Otherwise, when you get to like the 5th or 12th call based on the number of people you have and no money comes in, then your enthusiasm is going to drop, because I'm speaking for experience, because I've done 2 or 3 jobs. You may get a little money that comes in and you start questioning everything. So that's why you need to have enough money. Say, I'm going to stick with this for a month. Let me see what happens. Readjust. And then if you have to, you may have to work 2 or 3 jobs on the side to help you until you can get enough money to get that commission job to work. So it's a fine balancing line. And especially now with all the economy and stuff, everything's just been 10x, just amplified to how you play this game. So let me know what you think. Subscribe, comment, like. Subscribe, comment, like. I have my $25, $75, $125 program, $397, $697, $797 program for the Get Out the Stack. We have a $100, my $100 to $1,000 commission sales. Do that, and if not, just subscribe to the channel. Let's see if we can I will get up to 100,000 subscribers. Get on board. Get on board. Get on board.